Hi guys, this is Mateo. I'm just making a probes. Oh shit, it's so windy. It's so windy, bro. Lord, Mario already meow right there, bro. Oh shit. The wind speed is getting higher and higher, bro. It's already like 41 kilometers per hour, bro. Shoot, bro. So windy! There's that, bro. My probes are there. My probes are there, and now those probes are there. Oh, shit, look at that. Look at that shit, bro. Okay, looks Arno. Just one more. Oh, that's you're so cooked. You're so cooked. We're so cooked. Lord, the rain is getting there. High winds, high winds. First weather station survived. This can survive a little rain. This is made of a copper, so I can survive rain. Also this one. We're so cooked, bro. Slow. It's super high winds, bro. Bro, the pressure is 1000 MB, bro. Look at that shit, bro. Bro, look at that. Oh no. You're so cooked. It's so windy. So windy. Oh, I hope Nato is okay there. Just installing the probe there. Oh, Teras! It's so windy. However, I need to end the video before it's super windy, bro.